Adobe Illustrator versus Procreate, which is the best artist tool. So let's start with Adobe Illustrator. It is a professional industry standard graphics tool designed for vector-based artwork, like logos, branding, for vector-based artwork and logo designs with scales designs and precise geometry. It's also available for desktop and has an iPad version too. The pros is, it has vector graphics. Artwork can be scaled infinitely without quality loss. It also offers strong professional industry workflow, and it offers a rich toolset for typography, precision drawings, and print preparations, which many illustrators and graphic designers require and want to use for. The only cons is it requires a steep learning curve. So since it's a standard industry-based platform, you really need to learn how to use it because it has a lot of features. There are also some costs which may be expensive for you because it is a one-time and subscription model is still in offers and might save on like December's, but it is not a one-time platform. You need to pay monthly for the VAT as well. And it is also for freehand painting or natural brush-based drawing, which may feel less intuitive than raster-based illustrations. Now, Procreate, on the other hand, is a raster-based digital illustration app built for the iPad with Apple Pencil support. It emphasizes natural painting and drawing, expressive brushes, and intuitive interface tailored for artists. So, it is a one-time purchase and makes it very cost-effective. It is also highly intuitive for the drawing experience, and it's also optimized for the iPad and Apple Pencil. The only cons is though, the raster base is artwork is pixel based, so scaling it up may lose the quality and not ideal for vector graphics. And it is also platform limited since it's only available on the iPad itself, and it's less suited for professional print workflows. So overall, if your focus is illustration, freehand art, and concept drawings, then I recommend the Procreate platform. But if you need scalable vectors and branding and logo design, then I highly recommend the Adobe Illustrator. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.